Hello friends, welcome back. In a previous session, we have discussed about the percentage important trick that will help you to solve the questions of profit and loss, compound interest, simple interest, discount and other arithmetic question, right? So in this second part, we will discuss about the profit and loss question that you can use the trick I have told you in the previous class. Okay, so today we'll discuss three questions based on profit and loss, and in the next video we will discuss about the compound interest question. So if you still have any doubt, you can just go through the previous video. I will just post the link of the previous video in the comment box. So let's start with the question. So this is question number one. It says the house and shop were sold 1000 each. Can I say SP is given and it is equal? The house sale resulted in 20% loss, and whereas shop result in the profit. So let's write loss and let's write profit. Okay, so it is said 20% loss. So can I write 1 upon 5? And it says 20% profit. Can I write 20 upon 100? This will give you 1 upon 5, right? Now if you remember, I have told you this will be the original and this is a result, right? So profit and loss percentage always calculated on the cost price. Can I say my cost price in this case is 5, and in this case is also my cost price is 5. Now the important point about SP, the SP will become 5 minus 1, right? SP will become 4, and in this case SP will become what? 6. For no confusion, let's write CP1 SP1, CP2 SP2. Now as per the question, it says that each selling price is same, so I need to make same. What can I do? If I multiply this equation with 6, if I multiply this equation with a 4, right? Can I say I am getting the same thing? Or let's say if I multiply with 2, so no 3, and I multiply with the 2, that will be more better option. If you multiply this with 3, you have to multiply this with 3 also, and this will 2 also, right? So that ratio doesn't disturb. So new CP is what? 15, and new SP is 12, new CP is 10, and new SP is 12, right? So I can say that my SP is same in both the cases, correct? Now if I ask you what is the total loss, so I will add what? S Total CP is what? 15 plus 10 units, this will give you 25 units. This is my CP. If I ask you total SP is become what? 12 plus 12, that is 24 units. This is my SP. So eventually what is the next thing? You are suffering from loss. Agree? So if I calculate loss will be equal to what? CP minus SP. That comes out to be what? 25 minus 24. Can I say 1 unit is my loss? Yes, friends. Okay. Now according to the question, it is said house and shop were sold at 1000 1 lakh each. So now can I say that 24 units is equal to 1 plus 1, that is what? 2 lakhs. So if I ask you what is the value of 1 unit, you will say 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs, 1 2 3 4 5 upon 24. Agree with me? Okay. Now your job is to calculate the what is the overall result of entire transaction. So it is for sure that this option is not there, this option is not there, because we have a loss. This will be either C or D. So for 1 unit you have loss is equal to what? Just a minute, let me change the pen. Yeah. So loss is 1 unit. I can add 2 lakhs upon 24,000. I will cancel this 12. So this become what? 1 lakh upon 12. That means option number C. Okay friends, very interesting question. Just go through with your logic and then apply my logic. You will get the difference and you will get a quick answer soon. Okay. Also I just want to add one thing. Whenever you have this type of questions in which the selling price is same and you have two objects and the quantity is same, I mean the amount is same, 20% and 20%, but one is loss and one is profit, then in that case you will always suffer a loss, always. I mean there is no exception to it. The what is the condition? Both these things should be same and SP should be same. That's it. Then you can always mark the option which is loss. Okay, let's come to the next question. It says trader sells an article this and incur a loss of this. Okay, can I say SP is given, SP 105 is given, and loss percentage is given. So eventually I want the percentage thing. So this become what, 9 upon 100. So this is my what, CP, and this is my loss. So if I ask you what is SP, you can say 100 minus 9 unit, that is come out to be 91 unit, correct? Now this unit is given in terms of rupees. So if I ask you what is a 91 unit equal to 105, so if I ask you what is the value of 1 unit, you will say 105 upon 91. Okay, so your job is to calculate at what price should he sell the article to make a profit 30%. Okay, so if you calculate the CP, you will get the profit, right? So the total value of final CP is what, final cost price is what, 100 times 105 by 91. Okay, now you want at what price should you sell. So this is my CP. So if I want to find the selling price, can I say cost price into 100 plus profit percentage. So this become what, 100 into 105 by 91 into 130 upon 100. So this 100 and 100 will cancel. 13 times 7 is what, 91, and 7 times 15 is what, 105. So final answer is 150 rupees. Yes friends, any doubt? Okay, let's solve the next question. Again the profit and loss question. Sold at this percentage, what percentage profit will obtain if you sold this instead. Okay, so directly let's understand with the percentage concept. So you have loss, one thing is clear, and it is given 5%. So I can say 1 upon 20. So this is my cost price and this is my loss. Okay, so my SP will become how much, 19 units, because I did 20 minus 1. Okay, this 19 units is equal to 950. So I can directly say that 19 times 5 is what, 50. So 1 unit is equal to what, 50 rupees. So now you can easily calculate the loss. Loss will become how much, although it is not required, I'm just telling you. Loss is 1 unit, so loss is 50 rupees, and cost price is how much, 20 units. So this becomes 20 into 50, that will be 1000 rupees. Yes friends. Okay, what percent profit, what percent profit will be obtained if it is selling price. Okay, in the second case the selling price is given, that is 1040, and your cost price is what, 1000. Now you can easily tell that your cost selling price is more, so you can say it's profit. So SP minus CP, you will get what, 40. So profit percentage is what, 40 upon 1000 into 100. So 4000 upon 1000 will give you what, 4%. So option number B. Okay friends, I hope you like this video and you like the trick, the way we solve these questions. Okay, they are basically purely based on the concept of percentage, uh, equal to numerator upon denominator. The numerator is always a result, whether it is profit then we can add, if it is loss we can subtract, and the denominator is always the original price or cost price in specifically profit and loss case. So I will just also add the introduction video, introduction lecture of this particular topic, so you can go through that video, and I will share my trigonometry playlist also. You can just watch these trigonometries and enjoy the learning process. If you still have any doubt, you can just write a comment in the box. Till then, study hard, stay tuned.